Welcome back, lovely people. So today we are going to be learning how to make turtleneck and keyhole neckline. This is going to be a very well detailed tutorial. So first of all, I want to assume that this is just the jersey bodies of a dress. It's going to have a ruffle around it, so this is going to be like the V shape. And now we are going to be talking about the shoulder line, the bust line, the waistline, and probably the half length before the gathering of the gathers of the skirt comes in. But that is that side. We are just going to be focusing majorly on the turtleneck. Now for the turtleneck, some people actually use 3 by 3 inches, some people use 3 by 2.5, and while some people use 3 by 4. It depends on what actually works for you. But the basic inches for turtleneck is actually 3.3 in 3 by 3, which is 3 inches for the 3 inches for the length, and 3 inches for the breadth, like the downside of it. So don't forget, before we start any illustration, as I've always been saying in all my tutorials, that you have to make sure that the shoulder line is actually slanted, and after it's slanted, that's when you can connect your armhole and vice versa. So now let's go straight to it. Now we are going to be taking our measurements. I'm not going to use actually 3 because this is a very small paper and we are just using it for an illustration. So for it, I'm just using 1 inch here, and I'm going to go down by 1 inch. You can actually use 3 by 3 for your, it depends on actually what works for you. Or if you want to actually have your own turtleneck measurement, you can actually put your turtleneck divide, then you carry your tape, round the tape in your neck to get your neck measurements, then you can actually divide it by 4. It's, some people say it actually works that way, which is still okay. So now I'm just going to be taking it down almost to 1 inch. So I'm going to be connecting it together. So this is going to actually be, not most turtlenecks have to be a U shape and U neckline, but it's very tiny. Now I'm going to go down by some inches. It depends on how you want it to be. If you don't want your cleavage to show, that's fine. If you want your cleavage to show, that's also fine. So we are going to take the keyhole neckline from here. Please make sure yours is more neater than mine, if possible. You can actually take your keyhole neckline anywhere you actually want it. I want your own to be more neater than where I did mine. I'm just going to be creating a hole here. Yes, I'm just drawing it out. So this is actually how it actually is. So what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to quickly cut it out and show you the final outcome of it. So just like so, your turtle neckline and your keyhole neckline is actually ready. You can see mine is a little bit curvy, like a love shape, because I actually wanted mine to be so curvy because it has more fitting than just making it just round. So this is how it actually is. Now what do you do with the other material that is left behind? You can actually cut it and use it for your turtleneck. Like you can cut it like 2 inches, then you sew it round your turtleneck. So that is what you are going to be learning. So it's very easy, as you can see, very it's a little curvy. I don't want mine to be just round. It's not going to bring out the fitting more. So this is how to actually do it. Thank you for watching. Until see you next time, have a wonderful day. Bye.